Your groceries and packages may soon be delivered by a drone. I'm the CyberGuy, and 2023 is a year of drone technology advancing to the point where aerial drop-off is coming a lot sooner than we think. Autonomous delivery company Zipline specializes in on-demand drone delivery. They've been working out the kinks since 2014, developing a spectacularly well-choreographed drone delivery technology. Just announced their Platform 2 or P2 drone, which can carry 8 pounds of cargo up to 10 miles. And here's how it works in action. When an order is ready to be sent out, it's placed in the Zipline device. It then flies within minutes of your location. While hovering at about 300 feet, a second droid is lowered by tether to the target drop-off like a table in the backyard. The delivery is placed, and then the droid returns up to the Zipline drone before it flies back to a dock to charge or retrieve another order. Not only does this technology make it possible to deliver locally a lot more quickly than before, this could be a life-saving thing if it was implemented at hospitals or other healthcare facilities. Zipline hopes to have this in service in the U.S. in just about a year. They've got lots of competition, many that will be crowding the calm, quiet sky above your home before anyone figures out how to deal with drone traffic jams. Do you think there should be a standard for drone delivery operations? Let me know over at cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.